Hi, I'm Vanessa with the Newport Public Library. Do you need to get a license, a driver's license here in Oregon? Whether it's a CDL, a motorcycle license, or just a regular drive a car kind of license, we've partnered with the Oregon DMV and we're offering practice tests through the Newport Public Library's website. I'm going to show you how to get there and how to take advantage of that resource. Here we go. Okay, so here we are at the Newport Public Library's homepage, and I like to start over here at Online Library and go to Databases A to Z. That lists all the databases available here through the library. So if you scroll down through our databases just a little bit, this green one, Free Permit Practice Tests, we're going to click on that. And it is going to take us over here to the DMV's practice tests. So you can see in partnership with Newport Public Library, and these are free. So you can see there are car tests, there are CDL tests, that's like trucks and buses, and motorcycle tests. We also have the handbook available to us, facts page, that's going to answer some basic questions about how to get a driver's license and a permit. All the way back up at the top. The other thing that it offers is we can change it to different languages. So that's really helpful for some of our families that speak Spanish. And practice tests, there's all 200 questions available to you. You can do them in any grouping you choose. So once you click on practice test, it's just going to give you some multiple choice questions for you to choose from. And it will go on. You can only make 8 mistakes, and otherwise you don't pass and you have to try again. And that's okay. You can do it as many times as you want. Here's another practice test you can see. So there's lots of different things that you can do. All right, we hope you get a chance to check out the DMV's practice tests through the Newport Public Library, and we hope to see you at the library.